Meanwhile, I went to the Grand Raceway today. Take a look. That's where the 17th Annual National Slot Car Championships will be held through Sunday. These cars really fly on a specially made track. The world's best slot car racers are on hand, and I talked with director Shuba Sikahidi. How fast do these cars go?
These cars that I'm looking at right here, this one will go, 85, 90 on this track. If you give them a couple of more feet of room, they'll go about 105, and then they can stop in 5 or 6 feet.
Well, you got to slow up, obviously, at these sharp turns.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, there are 7 straightaways and 8 turns on this track. You have to accelerate and brake for every last one of them every 2 1/2 seconds. So you are accelerating and braking 8 times in 2 1/2 seconds, accurately. These cars themselves are just a physics wonder. They're pulling about 12.5 Gs, either in acceleration in a straight line or in a turn. And it's due to the way they're designed. One of the key elements to making this thing work is the body. This is just a huge airfoil. Essentially, we've got a 1/4 horsepower motor, which is here, placed in the rear of the car, sideways, approximately. We actually tilt them a little for some dynamic reasons. And then we apply all of that power through a very high-quality steel frame that's manufactured through a special wire milling system. And then this device here, which is called the body, or essentially an airfoil, has 2 types of air control. One which is over the top, and the car depresses itself and opens all the way up to increase its surface area at high speed and allow it to fly into the surface of the track. And then secondly, you can see it's entirely open underneath, and that there's a ground effect that's created by the perimeter air which goes underneath the car as well. The force that's placed on this car is many times that's done on an Indianapolis car at its same scale. This is about twice as powerful per pound as an F-18 fighter.
Unbelievable. So I decided to try it. It didn't work out too well. I managed to break one of the cars in a big hurry. Slot car racing from the Grand Raceway at 2100 Roosevelt Road. That's in Broadville, and that goes throughout the weekend with the finals on Sunday. And those 100 miles an hour. I mean, and you to brake and to push that thing in 2.3 seconds 8 times and to control the
How can you tell who the winner is? They go so fast.
They all have to, well, they have it's mechanically timed, or what's the word?
Yeah,
mechanization?
you're right. Yeah.
It's timed that way.
Something like that.
Yeah.